So it is time to open up my BoxyCharm premium box. I just got delivered yesterday, so I'm super excited to share this with all of you. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is let's read through what's included in this BoxyCharm box. So we have the Morphe X Manny Glam palette. I'm really excited for that one. I saw it on Instagram the beginning of this month. I didn't actually know it was going to be in the box. I'm super excited that I got this one. Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick. Nelson J Beverly Hills Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask. Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Face Kit. And then BoxyCharm Neon Jelly Pouch with a pom-pom. The theme is sunshine. Let's get started. So we're just going to open up this bag first. Let's see. This is a nice one, especially to go out to the beach or by the pool. Has a little BoxyCharm logo imprinted in it, little pom-poms. So it's just a nice little pouch. I think it's very good if you're looking for something to bring with you that's waterproof. Cute little accessory. All right, we have the Nelson J Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multi-benefits. And it lists all the benefits here. So detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body. And it is a coconut scent. So it tells you after you shampoo, you apply the healing mask to towel dried hair, leave it in for 1 minute and then rinse. It does give a couple other options too. You can use it to help prevent, it looks like, chlorine and saltwater damage. So directions for protecting your hair against chlorine and saltwater damage. Before swimming, thoroughly wet your hair and apply the mask from roots to ends. It's saying do not rinse. There's also a couple other options here for how you can use it. So this one is for your hair. I want to open it and smell it because I'm big about how products smell. Oh wow, that's exactly like a coconut. This smells really good. And I'm obsessed with coconut scented products. So I'm going to try this out in another video later on. So stay tuned to see the results of when I use this. We have High CBD Formula Body Lotion Fragrance Free by Lord Jones for your mind and body. It's in a container similar to the container that I used for my deodorant. Let's see. Okay, so it's a sealed container here. It looks like you pump it out. Fragrance free, gently massage 1 or 2 pumps of lotion into the affected area. Allow lotion to fully absorb, repeat as needed. Do not apply to broken skin. So this does have CBD in it. Be aware if that's not something that you want to use in your products. We have the Perricone MD No Makeup Lipstick Broad Spectrum SPF. I love a product with SPF in it. It recommends applying evenly to lips, can be reapplied as needed throughout the day. Let's take a look. If it's the same color as what's on this box, it looks like it has a pink tint to it, which I'm a big fan of pink. All right, let's see. So it is. It's like a mauve-y pink color almost. Let's put it on. Why not? I don't have anything on my lips right now. Oh. Oh, I like this. That's a really great color. It's super smooth. It smells good. And it has SPF in it, which is awesome. One thing to note, this is the first time I've used anything from this brand. The cap screws open and screws closed. I really like this one. We have the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Collection. I'm like really pleasantly surprised. So this has a lot more in it. By the name Brow Bar, I just thought this was going to be a palette for my brows, but it's actually has, let's read it, 1 bronzer, 1 translucent powder, 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, 4 eyeshadows, and 1 brush. I am loving this, especially that green in the corner. This is beautiful. I absolutely love this palette. What a great surprise that it has all of this in it. I really just thought it was going to be brows, and it's actually not brows at all. I mean, you can use the highlight for sure for your brows. So here's a little brush. How cute. Awesome. Okay, so that is the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Collection, and it looks like it is the palette Drama Queen. I have saved what I think to be the best for last, the Morphe x Manny Moi palette. I'm really excited. So this is the Glam palette, eyeshadow and highlighters. Let's open this up. I'm really excited to check this one out. Oh, the packaging is great, FYI. It has a lot of bubble wrap in there, so that way nothing happens to the palette. There's nothing worse than getting a crushed palette in the mail. Oh, it's so pretty. I think we're gonna have to apply some of this now. So here it is. Such beautiful colors. I'm loving them. It's so pretty. All right, I'm gonna get some brushes and we're gonna do this now. Here we go. I think we're gonna go for the color called, let's do Boy Next Door. Okay, so this one is Boy Next Door. Loving this one. All right, we're gonna then go in. I actually want to try out this shade in here called Fire Witch. It's kind of like a deep corally looking color. I'm loving this palette already. Okay, I really just want to keep it simple, so I'm just going to take this next shade. I hope I pronounce it right. I'm sorry if I don't. Zaya. We're just going to put it here. Just a little bit of liner. We have two choices for highlight in this one. So let's do, I think we're going to do Nova. It's the lighter one. So pretty. So there is just a very quick glam with the Morphe x Manny Moi palette. I'm loving this. It was super simple to create this look. The colors are beautiful. I love some good highlights. I love it. That was everything in the BoxyCharm premium box that I received for the month of July. I'm so excited about all of these products and I can't wait to show you guys more in depth once I have the time to try them all out. We did obviously try out the Manny Moi palette, so I'm really excited for that one. I think the results turned out great and I'm super excited to use it more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow along for more.